Mr. Hortingan, I have a question. I invested $100 on last Saturday. It was 23 cents, 23 actually Satoshi, and I want to know if I need to keep my right now my $21, I mean $100 become $250. I want to know if I need to keep my money on here or not, on this money or not. Can you explain to me scientifically uh, if I need to get rid of? Or also, I can take your advice on if I need to take half of my money from here and keep the original $100 in here in order to make more investments on other cryptocurrencies.
Okay, there are lots of here saying about this Dogecoin. You know, the CEO is inside as an intern or something, blah blah. But the
He's in
coin is
jail
his coin
for
is
manipulation.
coin. When we look at the graph, this coin saw the
What,
deepest point.
what are you doing? Are you doing this? Is oh, how did you come? How did you use this one? Did you use the
Yeah,
Fibonacci on
yeah,
here?
the
Yeah. Okay, I got you.
Fibonacci. Yeah, I
So
am not gonna go in the very detailed technical
yeah, okay, I got you.
uh,
But you will tell
thing.
me.
It can be difficult. The easy thing here, it depends on what you see for this coin, but it's gonna see the what's gonna be the highest point of this coin. If you see this point, uh, you can easily see this coin here. It's everybody's tell about the 38.2 blah blah, and this point will be resistant point. I mean, if you bought here, you can easily when you see here, you can sell
Yeah,
for
yeah.
buy again. But this coin is already past this point, so it means this coin's future goes to up. And
So,
what
so
we see right now, the second level,
second level is on the left side as you do
okay,
see the
yeah,
yeah.
right now, what can we see is the 50s right now is the another resistant point. So, but my
So
expectation,
what do you mean with resistance? I mean, do you mean
the
people
resistance people
people so they want to
they
sell their
yeah,
money
yeah,
and then someone wants to make money, someone wants to buy and wants to keep their money to make more money, stay in the
yeah,
money. So the buyers will resist not selling it, and then sellers wants to sell because they
uh-huh.
purchased this money on a
Mhm.
lower
Yeah,
rate, right?
yeah. The people are here. They have Dogecoin and they have story in this coin, and they are buying and selling. The logical thing when they see, for example, this number here, they already saw here, and the graph is like this is a population. This is a like a people in the country, and when they see this point, hey, it is time to sell, and they are selling. And when they see this point, and they say it is time to sell, the
So
more or less what we are gonna care about these top points will be resistance more or less in the
yeah,
future too.
before you talk about this the top point, I have a question.
Hmm.
Whenever I look at the graph, okay, this
Uh-huh.
type of graph, I do see similar up and down. Similar. Is it because of the? It is dependent on the people. I
Yeah, it
mean,
is depend on the people and people behavior.
behavior. Right?
When they see the difficulties, they is easily leave the coin or sell the coin. When they see the future, they easily buy for the future. They are thinking they are gonna make a money. It's like a weather. When you see the rain, you are going inside and taking a raincoat. When you see the sun and you are go out with the bikini or the mayos and go to yeah.
Okay, I have $100 and I have now $250. Should I continue on this coin? How much
Yeah,
will it go up? And should I sell half of it, or what do you recommend?
yeah, it is easy to see. This coin has two resistant point right now. One of them is here and 30 something, and the other was here, 40 between 40 to 50, and it's already around here. If this coin, uh, I mean, pass over or take over this
So
point, it will go
So
up.
what you're saying is here, what we are seeing here as a behavior, it was repeated before,
Yeah, it's
and
repeated.
then this
Same
means
thing.
some one way or other, due to the human behavior,
Yeah.
we are going to see expected to have an increase,
Yeah,
maybe up to 150 or
yeah,
more.
yeah, yeah.
So then I should wait.
Yeah, what people did before, when they see here, they sell the coin because they thought the basic thing, anyone except the professional, they are not thinking, hey, sell this point and buy lowest point, make money again. No, the people, when people see it doesn't go up, and they start to sell. And the second type of people, they are professionals. They put the Fibonacci and the other technical tools. They just say, hey, let's look at here and sell on this point. It doesn't matter is it going to go up or not.
So
But when they see here, hey, there is a time frame, 1 day or 2 day and 3 day, it resists to go down, they start to buy again, and the other point comes, highest point comes. But when
97.
they see there, they automatically, I mean,
So
the
as an
Fibonacci,
investor,
they sell the here, and then you see there is a resistance here. The coin doesn't go down, blah blah,
so
and then goes up.
so
But no, don't think about this point, and some of the people even don't see. So maybe 1,000, maybe 2,000 coin were sold here. We don't know. We need to look at inside. Don't look at the very slim stick. Look at the thick sticks, the candles. So when see the coin saw this point, if you look at here, if you put our Fibonacci here and put this point here or this point here, it depends on my point is average, and you see the coin itself, I'm gonna go down to this point. I'm 38.2. So it will happen. It will be happening again in a same way, but to the up.
can you also talk to me about as far as I know that I will continue to hold my money. I believe what I do see over here that I will keep my money up to 100, up to 90, and then I will sell on 90, and then
Yeah.
when it went down to 70 or 75, I will buy again, and then we'll wait until 150. What do you think?
Uh, my point is, let's go inside a little bit. Let's put our Fibonacci. Uh, let's see the 17. You remember it was. Uh, I, I mean, maybe for a while it was on 10 Satoshi, but last time what we see here, uh, 17 was maybe the best point to get the lowest point. And other thing here, you see this is the highest point here. If you put the same thing there, I always like to take the average. Okay, and if I put here or there, it doesn't matter more or less, it doesn't matter one or two coin less or more. I will put here, you see this coin, we'll see here. I don't know what is it, 39. And then after that, it will go down. Okay, and if you put another thing here, let's go to another another resistant point. Another resistant point is here. It's stayed here for a while. So this, what is that